Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to enable live captions in Zoom Workplace step by step. First, open Zoom Workplace on your computer and start a new meeting. Click the New Meeting button and then click Start to begin the meeting. After the meeting starts, look at the bottom toolbar and click the Show Captions button. If captions are not enabled yet, Zoom will automatically turn on live captions or live transcript. Once enabled, you will see a message that says Live Transcript on. This means Zoom is now generating captions automatically during the meeting. Next, click the small arrow next to the Captions button to open the caption menu. Here you can change the caption language. You can choose English or another available language, depending on your account and Zoom settings. You can also click View Full Transcript to open the complete transcript panel. Next, click Caption Style. From here, you can customize how captions appear on your screen, including the text size and caption appearance. If you no longer want captions, click Hide Captions. This will remove the captions from the meeting window. You can turn captions back on at any time by clicking the Show Captions button again. Live captions are useful for online meetings, classes, interviews, presentations, and improving accessibility for participants. That's how you can enable live captions in Zoom Workplace. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.